show you what I was doing. I feel awful today. I got up from a nap. I decided to start moving this out of the front yard. This is my second truckload. Then I have to find somewhere to put that insulation. So this is my at-what project today. Second load. Now, these here, I think my son said they're like 300 pounds. So I can't get those. I want to go dump this in the backyard on the pallet pile at our little sawmill. And I'll come back and get all this stuff. This he will cut up and burn for bonfires. So anyway, peace and love everyone. Bye.